So I purchased these battery operated wall sconces from Amazon. They are absolutely amazing. I had to get these because my basement is kind of annoying, and actually rather than just telling you, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this is the way down to the basement. We've got a light here to turn the light on. But there's no light switch at the bottom, so that is why we purchased these. So as you can see, that would be quite annoying and even possibly dangerous to deal with, especially when it's dark. Now let me show you guys how easy it is to install these things. They actually give you 3 different ways to install, and they provide everything for those installation methods. So the first one is you can literally screw it into a wall. So there's 2 holes here where you can screw them into the wall, and then you just place it on like that. They provide the screws and even anchors, but to be honest, you guys, like these things are pretty light, so I don't think you really need the anchors, but if you're a bit of a worrywart, then go ahead and use them. The other option is double-sided sticky. So one side fully envelops this piece over here, and then you rip the other side off. Let me just show that to you over here. And then really you just stick it to the wall and you're ready to go. And then now if we turn it on, so I'll have one here and then one also at the bottom. And let's see how the motion sensor works. I'm gonna wait for it to turn off. Okay, I think they're off now, so let's peek around the corner. Look at that. So I installed the other one down here. So you start walking. That one turns on too. And you have about 20 seconds until they both turn off. So you can recline to the couch here, and then the lights will turn off. Amazing. Okay, so the basement's completely dark now. I just want to show you guys how well these light up as we approach. No more unsafe walking up the stairs. Turn on, baby. Plenty of light, even with just that bottom one. I don't know why this one took a while to turn on this time. And then also it'll stick to anything metal, but I will point out that even though there's like these 3 metal pieces here, it just doesn't seem to be strong enough to hold. But if you actually take this off, now it'll actually stick very easily. And you can turn it on, and now you basically have a night light. Or perhaps over here. So I will mention that there's 2 different light modes. So on the switch here, there's like a daytime, whoops, and a nighttime. Of course, it will turn on regardless of which option you select, but how it reacts is going to be different. So in the nighttime mode, it will actually only turn on when it recognizes motion within 10 to 16 feet when it's dark. And in the daytime mode, it will turn on regardless of if it's dark or light. Let's just do a quick test here with the daytime mode with my fresh install. And then I also want to show you guys the nighttime mode. So we're going to go back into the bottom of the basement here, wait for the lights to turn off, and then we're going to approach. And as you can see here, the light does turn on when it's dark. I do have the setting on nighttime mode right now, so it's good to see that it does actually work in nighttime mode. And here's also an example of it being in nighttime mode and not turning on because it's actually too light out. So it is actually working as advertised. I'll have a link in the description if you guys are looking to purchase today, and also in the pinned comment. Guys, if you got any value out of this video, please give this video a like. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.